In my hand is a smartwatch. This is noise ColorFit Pulse Grand. In this video we are going to show you how to change the strap, remove the strap of your smartwatch. So this is the strap of your smartwatch, and suppose if you want to change the strap, you must simply move your finger, must simply press here like this, and you can easily remove the strap here. This side also you must simply, that is simply using, if you have a nails in your finger, it is very easy. You must simply press here and you can easily remove. And suppose if you want to insert or change the, put the strap once again in this noise smartwatch, then make sure that this end, that is the end with the, so it should be in this position and the other end should be here. Okay, I'll show you how to insert. For inserting, you must simply put it like this here. So you can see an hole in this side and also an hole in this side also. So you must insert. So I have simply put one side into this one and inside this hole, and you must simply press like this. First put this into one side of the hole. Then you can simply place here. You can see that we are properly inserted. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe and stay with the online. Thank you.